Welcome back to today's Explainer. It is day 4 of our 14-day side hustle challenge, and honestly, I am so hyped for this one. Today, we're skipping the active micro gigs entirely. Instead, we are diving straight into building a highly scalable, fully automated asset, the automated Faceless Shorts blueprint. Let's get right into it. So what if you could build a cash-flowing channel and pull in massive, reliable passive income without ever stepping in front of a lens? Seriously, think about it. No expensive camera setups, no spending hours recording your own voice. I know, it kind of sounds like clickbait, right? But right now, this is a very real, very profitable reality for thousands of creators. We're talking 100% faceless. Regular, everyday creators are currently making thousands of dollars a month in pure passive income simply by uploading highly optimized 30-second clips. You don't need a fancy studio, and you absolutely do not need to show your face. And here is 95%. That is literally the craziest part of this entire strategy. Free AI tools are doing 95% of the heavy lifting for you. You basically act as the director of operations, and the software, well, it handles all the grunt work. Section 1, the math behind the money. Okay, let's start with the baseline metrics. The USA short CPM, which is what advertisers are paying per 1 million views, sits right at a premium rate of about $400 to $600. And that's because US advertisers are willing to pay absolute top dollar for attention. So what's the actual required content volume to tap into those premium rates? It's just 2. Your goal is simply uploading 2 highly optimized AI shorts every single day. That's it. Consistency is the real engine of this automated machine. Now, here is where the math completely explodes. If you hit just 3 to 5 million views across your entire content library, you're looking at a monthly passive potential of $1,200 to $3,000. That is pure passive income strictly from ad revenue. So let's build this thing. Section 2, Step 1, High CPM Niches. Step number 1 is picking a niche that literally prints money. You've got to avoid generic content. You want to target high-intent topics, things like luxury lifestyle, financial motivation, daily trivia and quizzes, or fascinating history facts. Viewers just binge-watch these topics, and advertisers pay top dollar for that highly engaged audience. Once you've locked in your niche, let's say we go with daily stoic motivation. You're going to use AI to generate your script. Just type in this exact prompt. Give me 10 viral, hard-hitting quotes inspired by Marcus Aurelius, formatted for a 30-second YouTube short. You hit enter, and boom, your entire content strategy is generated in literal seconds. Section 3, Automating Voice and Video. Now, let's talk about creating a premium cinematic video without you ever saying a single word. It's a super rapid 3-step workflow. Step 1, you generate an AI voice in ElevenLabs. Step 2, you pull your visuals using in-video AI or Pexels. And Step 3, edit and auto-caption everything in CapCut. Let's break that down a bit more. For your audio, you'll head over to ElevenLabs. It's a free AI voice tool that sounds, honestly, terrifyingly human. You just paste your script in and select a deep cinematic male tone. Voices like Adam or Antoni are perfect for this. It gives your short that incredibly authoritative, confident vibe that viewers instantly trust. Next up, grab your visuals, think luxury cars, stunning cinematic drone shots, and throw them right into CapCut along with your new audio track. Hit auto captions to get that big, bold text, add a trending background track, and you're done. A completely finished premium asset in less than 10 minutes. Section 4, the algorithm's viral secret. Look, if you want to actually go viral in the US market, you need 2 mandatory elements, the hook and the loop. The hook is those first 3 seconds. It must be incredibly jarring or exciting to literally stop the swipe. Contrast that with the loop, which is where the end of the video seamlessly blends right back into the beginning. Here's an example of a perfect hook. Most people realize this life lesson way too late. See what that does? Your brain instantly needs to know the lesson. It's intriguing, it buys their attention immediately, and it absolutely locks them in. Now, when you combine a great hook with a perfect loop, you get a retention rate that shoots past 100%. Because the end blends perfectly into the beginning, people end up watching it twice without even realizing it. That triggers the algorithm, pushing your video to millions of feeds literally overnight. Section 5, launch your channel tonight.
Guys, the math is real, the tools are completely free, and there is absolutely zero excuse not to execute on this. So here is your homework for tonight. Pick your high CPM niche, generate your first 3 AI shorts, and set up a fresh channel. Once you've done that, drop a comment below saying day 4 launched so I can personally check it out.
You've seen the blueprint, you know the math, and you have the tools. So will you start building your automated asset tonight? Don't just sit on this information, take action. And hey, make sure you subscribe to The Explainer so you do not miss day 5 tomorrow, where we're dropping even more heat. Get after it, and I'll see you then.